In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to Notion. By the end, you'll have the OneDrive integration added to your Notion workspace so you can seamlessly access and share your cloud files without leaving Notion. Start by logging in to your Notion account on your computer. This process works the same in the desktop app and in a browser. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the sidebar. Find and click Settings. Depending on your version, it may appear as Settings and Members. Either way, you're opening the same place where Workspace preferences live. Inside Settings, locate the Connections tab. This is where Notion manages all integrations with external apps and services. Click Connections to open it. You'll see options related to third-party tools that can enhance your workflow inside Notion. Scroll down within the Connections area until you find the option labeled Browse Connections Gallery. Click that. The gallery is essentially Notion's directory of verified integrations, making it easy to find and add the services you use every day. At the top of the gallery, there's a search bar. Click into it and type OneDrive. This filters the gallery to show the OneDrive integration. When you see OneDrive in the search results, click it to open the integration page. This page includes a short description of what the integration does and what permissions it needs, so take a quick moment to review that if you'd like. Next, click Add to Notion. This tells Notion to enable the OneDrive connection for your workspace. Depending on your workspace settings, you might see a brief confirmation prompt. If you're asked to authorize access, simply follow the on-screen instructions. This is standard for secure integrations and ensures Notion can connect to OneDrive only in the ways you allow. After you add it, the integration is ready to use across your workspace. If you don't immediately see changes, give it a moment to finish setting up. If the Add button is unavailable or you don't see the Connections tab, you may be in a workspace without the right permissions or on an older app version. In that case, check that you're in the correct workspace and that your app is up to date. That's it. You've logged in, opened Settings, gone to Connections, browsed the gallery, searched for OneDrive, selected it, and added it to Notion. With the integration in place, it becomes much easier to keep your documents organized and accessible while you're working in Notion. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more connected workflow.